Hey guys, in this video I wanna make a test and share it with you. As you can see, we have the first snow for this winter, and a while back I made this snowplow. It has been 1 or 2 years, I don't remember, but I never had the chance to use it because there was not enough snow. There was no opportunity for me to try this thing, and it has been literally since I made this thing, it has never plowed any snow. It has been sitting over here like this. So I know there is not much snow and probably it won't work and it is kind of stupid, but still wanna try it. So I'm gonna attach the YANMAR that we have. I'm gonna take it out and attach it to the plow, and I'm gonna give it a test. If you think this is gonna be interesting, stay tuned. Also, you may consider subscribing, sharing, commenting, liking this video. So let's start the tractor and see if it is gonna be able to pull this thing and if this is gonna work. At the moment I find this to be a bit concerning. There is some snow that is captured inside of the snowplow, but otherwise you can see the way that this thing cleans. Even though there isn't much snow, it is very nice to have a path that you can cross. So I'm hoping that soon there is gonna be more snow and I'm gonna be able to try this in real conditions. But at the moment, very nice results. I was pleasantly surprised the way that this thing cleans the road. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this was interesting and entertaining for you guys. So if you think this content is appealing, you may consider liking the video, commenting, sharing and all that stuff. So thank you so much, stay safe, stay tuned, and I hope to see you in my next videos.